Hi guys. Okay, so today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. You all are going to be taking, today is the September 15th, by the way. It is Tuesday. So you guys are going to be taking Benchmark Part A, okay? Now normally in a perfect world, we would be in class, we would be taking these, and some of you will be, but some of you will be taking these at home. So I want to go over it with you and make sure you understand what we're doing and why we're doing it. So all of you know what our warrior wall is, which is where your jerseys were in the back of the room. So we've explained that to you. So this benchmark is part of how we move those jerseys. So again, we take this benchmark 3 times a year. We take it in the beginning of the year, mid-year, and end of year. And we should be showing progress each time we take it. So the benchmark covers the entire 6th grade curriculum. So there's going to be things that you don't know, and that is okay. It is not a grade for the grade book, okay? But it does, you need to do your best work because it does help us determine what you already know, what we need to spend more time teaching, and all of that. So it's very important you do your best work. So we're taking only one part of the benchmark today. We are taking Part A. Part A is a non-calculator portion of the test, okay? So you cannot use a calculator. Again, please do not use a calculator or you don't get accurate results. So again, it's not a grade for the grade book, so just do the best you can, okay? So Benchmark Part A will be taken today. When you are finished with Benchmark Part A, it's a little bit different. Normally we put our answers in a Google form and it'll tell you which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong. This one, you're not going to put it in a Google form. It's actually going to be in a Canvas, what's called a Canvas quiz, okay? It's just a link. You treat it the same way. It's just a link, and that link gives you, for instance, if it's A, B, C, or D, it gives you A, B, C, or D, and you pick which answer you got. Okay, so it should be fairly easy for you all to navigate. It's just a little bit different than what you've done in the past, okay? So you'll put your answers in that Canvas quiz. It won't tell you what you missed, okay? Because we don't want you to go back over it. That's the whole reason we do these benchmarks is to see how we're improving, not how we memorize answers. So we won't go over the answers to the benchmark until right before the TN Ready test, okay? So, because we take the exact same test, all right? So we don't, you won't see what you've missed, but you will see a score, okay? So don't panic about that score. It really doesn't matter. We'll talk about it more in class, okay, as to what that means. But again, you're only gonna do Part A today, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and explain Part B as well, because we'll post this same video for the next time we do this, okay? So this is Tuesday, right now, when you're watching this the first time. It's Tuesday, September 15th, okay? You're taking Part A on Tuesday, September 15th, okay? Now, fast forward, it's Thursday, September 17th, okay? You're gonna take Part B of this benchmark. Part B of this benchmark, you can use a calculator, so that's good news. And again, you do the same thing. Once you find your answers and you take your time to do the test, you'll put your answers into the Canvas quiz. Again, it'll spit out a score probably, but it won't tell you or shouldn't tell you which ones you actually missed, okay? So the reason I'm putting this all in one video is because all the same rules apply. Whether this is Tuesday or whether this is Thursday and you're taking Part A or Part B, it is not a grade for the grade book, but we want you to do your absolute best work, okay? So let me recap. Tuesday, September 15th, you're gonna take Part A, and that is going to be a non-calculator test, okay? On Thursday, you're gonna take Part B, and that you can use a calculator for, okay? So we want you to do your best work, and we hope you have a good afternoon. Hey, thanks, guys.